Tubby DIY Grout Sealer is an amazing product which enables you to renew, seal, change color, and protect your tile grout, leaving it looking brand new and fully protected against dirt and stains. The application process is easy and safe and can be used on wall and floor tiles. Before applying Tubby DIY Grout Sealer, have a look at the following step-by-step process. Your Tubby DIY Grout Sealer kit contains the following: an instruction leaflet, a 237ml bottle of Tubby DIY Grout Sealer and dispensing nozzle, a 100ml bottle of Tubby DIY Grout Cleaner, a 100ml bottle of Tubby DIY Tile Cleaner, a mist trigger dispenser, a grout brush, and a chamois. In addition to these, you will also need a towel, a bucket of clean water, a grout scraper or grout removal tool with nail scrapers cut to the specific width of your tile grout. You may also require grout cement. The first step is to check the grout levels and clean the grout. Ensure that the level of the grout is lower than the tile surface by about 2 mm. To do this, or to simply clear the grout surface of paint and other contaminants, use a grout scraper set to the specific width of the tile grout. If you're left with patches of missing grout, use a container to mix a small amount of standard grout cement from a hardware store with the Tubby DIY Grout Sealer. Make sure that you plug the grout sealer bottle with the red cap or toothpick to prevent the nozzle from becoming blocked. Slowly mix in a small amount of water until it forms a paste consistency similar to this. Using your finger, smooth the grout cement into the grout line. Proceed to wipe any dust off the tile surface with a damp cloth. Spray the Tubby DIY Grout Cleaner onto the grout lines and leave it for 5 minutes before scrubbing with a grout brush. Wipe it clean with a towel. The second step is to seal the grout. If you have not already done so in the previous step, fit the dispensing nozzle to the top of the Tubby DIY Grout Sealer bottle. For wall tiles, squeeze a thin line of grout sealer along the grout from bottom to top for about 1 to 2 meters at a time. Replace the red cap or insert a toothpick into the dispensing nozzle between each application to prevent blockages. If the product hardens in the nozzle, wash it out with warm water. Using your finger, smooth the Tubby DIY Grout Sealer into the grout line. Prepare the chamois by rinsing it in water, wringing out excess moisture and folding it in half. With a flat hand, lightly wipe away excess grout sealer from the tile surface. Be careful not to wipe away the Tubby DIY Grout Sealer from the grout line. Repeat the process until all the grout lines have been sealed. Follow the same process for sealing floor tiles, except that it is recommended to start at the furthest position from the door and work backwards out of the rim. The final step is to clean the tile surface. Once the grout sealer is dry to the touch, spray Tubby DIY Tile Cleaner onto the entire tile surface and buff with a towel. Repeat the process if necessary. If your cleaning result looks like this, it is either because your grout surface was not thoroughly cleaned and prepared, or you did not allow enough time for the Tubby DIY Grout Sealer to dry. To fix this, return to the first step and repeat the application process. For showers and damp areas, allow 48 hours for Tubby DIY Grout Sealer to cure before use, and 24 hours for dry areas. For more information, please visit www.tubbydiy.com.